this tempo now I'll comp. So comp. Sorry. Okay, simple AABA form and kind of quirky and unique Django style. The melody, I throw a grace note in there. You could put it anywhere. There's a grace note on the first note, second and fourth note. You put them anywhere, but it really warms it up. This is the chord shape and the melody. So this would be a perfect, if you're going to learn the melody, you may as well just play all these notes together. Ba-ba-do-beep, ba-ba-do-beep-ba. Ba-ba-do-ba. That's the melody. So. Now here, that you got to get your own D minor 7, or A minor 7, D7. G6 or G major 7, whatever you're gonna do. Okay, cool. So when now in this style, when there's musicians playing, my comping would be a lot more punchy, less long. When I have a medium or faster tune, I don't want to play a whole lot of long notes, especially at a jam session. So I'll comp, where I'm playing chords in sort of stabs. So little upbeats. Wrong chord. Okay, now some improvisation. This one also is super about these guide tone lines. So, you could do one that goes that way. Another guide tone line. So just kind of going down chromatically. Try that and just use your ears and intuition. Don't even need to know. Let go of the need to feel like you know what the chord name is. And just, I'm telling you, you take one of these notes. Let's see if I can find that backing track again. No, where is that?
Meine sehr verehrten Damen und Herren.
Not that one. So here's your guide tone like E, or B, to B flat, to A flat, to G, to F sharp, to E, or to G. Either one of those are E. Okay, so then on the B section for improvisation, you have A flat. If we take a look here at what's written, A flat, E flat, A flat. So A flat, E flat 7. So and then up a half step. So A flat major scale. So you have that, and then the A. So so I'm trying to think of some A. So just kind of easy 1-5-1 stuff, and then you're back to the top here. This one flummoxes a lot of people. I would say for people who are trying to work this out, find these guide tone lines. You know, watch that Aaron Siskin video, find the guide tone lines and get that together, or they're all in here. So if I take the chords, which is also the melody. Here, that's a guide tone line from that note. Any one of those are like little descending notes. Yeah. Okay, cool. What haven't we talked about? We're talking the melody. Oh, okay, so if I was going to do this as accompaniment in my left hand. So like say I don't think we played this one at the gig, but I certainly have played this in duo with either violinist or a guitarist. Let me get a good beefy bass sound. I like to go all the way down and up. So I'm like pressing the basses all the way to the bottom and then a little staccato. Sorry, I forget the melody. Faster. Shit. I'm not making that A, sorry. So that's how it might be. That's how it might be solo. Something like that. Which like just looks insane on the visualizer. All those notes. But that's it. The two hands. And that I have really fallen in love with working on solo swing accordion like this. It's been a long time coming.